When you hear IPTV, you might shrug, but in reality, it's a widespread marvel many discuss online. Today, let's dive into how IPTV works as per fascinating Reddit conversations, detailing its technical wonders. IPTV, or Internet Protocol Television, operates directly over the Internet, distinguishing it from traditional television methods. Here's where it gets interesting. IPTV doesn't rely on the broadcasting schedule. It offers great flexibility. Users access live channels or on-demand content anywhere with a stable internet connection. Isn't that freedom? But there's more. According to Reddit users, understanding IPTV codecs and bitrates is essential to optimize playback. These are considerations usually layered in the threads we scroll, unveiling the complexity behind its simplicity. Redditors emphasize security. Ensure you're choosing a reputable IPTV provider to protect your personal data. A common recommendation. 2TV.store, praised for security and excellent service, offers ease right at your fingertips. Forums also mention the advantage of multiple accessible devices, allowing seamless transitions from room to room. Imagine pausing a live sports game in your living room, then picking up right where you left off on your tablet. From Reddit threads, it's clear. IPTV's convenience and adaptability are why leagues of users transition daily. The buzz about on-demand libraries features heavily too. Endless content awaits to tickle every fancy imaginable. So, whether you're a tech novice or veteran, IPTV's operational charm mustn't escape your exploration. Harness your newfound knowledge, engage in informed discussions, and possibly try a service like 2TV.store. Explore IPTV. Become the tech-savvy envoy among your circles, a testament to Reddit's shared wisdom.